Hey, I'm Shelly, and I'm going to show you how I track my indie author children's book inventory through a Google form, a Google Sheet, and my phone. So all of this can be accessed through your phone or your computer, and I used Claude to do it. I asked it for a code with the app script so that way I can submit a form and then it automatically updates my inventory. Here is the form. I have all my books here. I specifically asked for 9 to 100 books because my goal is 100 books. I want to be able to track that many. And then I update it after I've sold, given away, or restocked. So sold means it takes away, restock means it adds, and then giveaway means it takes away. So as I'm doing that, it's going to update my inventory over here. And then I have a conditional formatting set up where if it's greater than 5, it's green. That means I have enough in stock. So obviously I need to order more. I just haven't had a chance to. And then over here in my notes, I put however many I want to order for next time. And unfortunately, I don't have any to submit right now, but I do have this clip of me inventorying my video or inventorying my books. So I'll throw that in so you can watch that. But if you want to do this same thing for your books or your handmade products or whatever it might be, I will have the entire chat information on my Patreon, and you can purchase that over there. And you can use that app script. It's super easy. Like, you don't even have to know anything. It'll walk you through it and it's good to go. I hope that's helpful. And if you have a really cool idea on how you can use Google App Scripts to run your business or your indie author publishing adventures, let me know. I'd love to talk about it with you in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry, this thing, hold up. One more thing. Okay, let's start again. Hey, I'm Shelly, and I'm going to show you how I use